guys, April 16th, 2018. A little rainy morning today. I got a call from a lady. She says she's got a leak in the ceiling dripping down into the basement. Not a big one, but nevertheless a leak. And she thinks it's coming from the tub area. And also kitchen sink faucet needs to be replaced. So I'm going to go over there, and I've been there before. It's an older lady with a couple of kids living with her. I think like the kids are in the 60s, 65 or something. I mean, she's an older lady, but anyway, we'll go over there and give it the old Gundy. This tub shower is looking down into the basement, so I think it's that diverter, lower diverter. We're gonna take it apart. I got my light up there to give us some light here. That's loose. That's loose. That's not good. That might be what the problem is right there. She's loose as a goose, man. That's not good. Somebody's probably taken it apart to clean it and never tightened it back up. It's tight now. I'm gonna try taking it apart and see if that's check that diverter. It's a very common problem. I think I have replaced this spindle at one time. Yeah, it's a new plastic handle. A very common problem with these valves is that lower diverter. Now I went downstairs, I didn't see the water, but she says it was dripping on her head when she walked by. Oh, look at that, I mean, that ain't so hot. Gonna be able to get it out. If that is the culprit, we'll have to see. We'll run it and check it. We'll run it and we'll check it. Just in that plate that looks. I don't see it leaking. What's the setup they got there, huh? I mean, really? leaking. She takes a shower, so we'll go downstairs and see if it's leaking down here now. It says it was leaking over here. It dripped on her head. Ain't no Taj Mahal, Mama. I don't know. I don't see any leaks. I don't see no leaks. She says it was dripping right here somewhere. I'll talk to her about changing the shower head. I mean, this thing's pretty bad. I'm going to take this mechanism out of here and put a regular shower head on there. I don't have this goose type. I talked to her about it. She wants it changed. Weird shower head, that thing was weird. Here, a little Teflon tape. This one's got a gasket in there too, so we'll see. She'll be better than what she had. I mean, anything's better than what she had there. I think it was pretty bad. We'll see how that works. I'm sure it'll work fine. That's a lot better. 1,000 times better than what she had, you know? I'm going to put this valve back together. It should be okay. So what we're going to do is put this in here. And then this little clip has to go in there. Holds everything together. Stubble. And then this gasket goes in the back like that. This is a very common problem with these valves. I always check it, because most of the time they leak. Very common problem. The only thing I think it was is that bottom plate was loose. Man, it's flipping hot in here. I'm gonna take my sweater off. I work on a lot of these Simmons valves. I mean, a lot of them. So I think that's going to take care of it. We'll run the sink and the toilet, make sure that's all good. I thought I almost put this in the tub to drain it. That was a weird flipping shower head, man. Very strange. Flow around the toilet, so that's good. That's what it had to have been. The hot air system here, it had to be that plate. We gotta change this faucet out for the lady. It's squirts straight out. It's gonna get changed out. Put a Gerber in there.
Because my sister's got this house.
Well, that's better. That's better than another thing was a wreck. Tree fell down on the roof. Look at that. Wow. What a mess. That's a tree fell right on the roof. Yeehaw. You're doing a dance. Are you doing a dance? Oh, I can see it. I can see the dance moving. You are moving. Oh, yeah, next level. Next level. Show them. Doing a dance? You doing a dance with Daddy? Oh, yeah, you love Daddy. You love Daddy.